Purdy Jenkins here. This video is going to be jaw-dropping. Oh my god, his mouth is open. What are we going to talk about? Oh my god, the camera is zooming in and it makes you want to put something in your mouth, tasty and sweet. Oh my gosh, we are going to talk about something amazing in this. Remember who I am, Purdy Jenkins. There I am. Let's get into it.
It's Purdy Jenkins. 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 It's Purdy Jenkins.
Jimmy, do you ever have to deal with termites? Oh man, those little wood munchers are hard to kill. Got any good ways to get rid of them? Oh, I've got some ideas. How's about flooding your house with liquid nitrogens? Instant freeze. That'll do it. And your house gets a cool new ice sculpture look. Or how's about hiring a team of professional wood packers? Let nature take its course. Imagine the noise, but hey, free pest control. Or you could set up a mini Terminator factory in your basement. Send out tiny little miniature robots to hunt them down. Hasta la vista, termites. How about taking your entire house and dropping it into the ocean? Sharks and saltwater, that should do the tricks. A little extreme, but it would definitely solve the problem. And for the ultimate termite destruction, cover your house in molten lava. Instant destruction. Instant obliteration. Nothing like a lava fast to get rid of your problems. Nothing like a lava bath to get rid of your pests. You know, termites are so hard to kill. They're like hippies at a music festival. Just keep coming back. Right? They're tougher than Trump. Not even a bullet could stop him. And living in Florida with gators and DeSantis doesn't keep them from coming back. And living in Florida with gators and DeSantis doesn't scare them one bit. These termites are like, DeSantis, gators, brings it on. So freeze them with nitrogen, hire woodpackers, deploy mini Terminators, drop the house in the ocean, or cover it in lava. Those termites won't stand a chance. 2 outrageous solutions for tiny little problems. Cheers to that, buddy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow me and subscribe. I'm Purdy Jenkins. Please meet me. I was dropped on my head as a boy. I like chicken wings in the Bat Blue and Tim Hortons coffee, and I like hot women. What about you? You know what? I don't give a crap. Goodbye.